Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Develop English Skills. Dear all, today you will learn types of nouns. As you have already learned the meaning of nouns, let's recap. A noun is a word that names a person, place, animal or thing. Now different types of nouns are common nouns, proper nouns, abstract nouns, concrete nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, collective nouns, and compound nouns. Let's learn all these types of nouns one by one. Common nouns. A common noun names any person, place, animal, or thing. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they come at the beginning of a sentence. Identify this picture. Who is she? She is a teacher. So the word teacher is a common noun. Then next is, this is city. So the word city again is a common name given to a place. Then there is a dog. It is a common name given to an animal. At the end there is a laptop. It's a name of a thing. These are some of the examples of common nouns like house. It's a name of place. Car, it's a name of a thing. Cow, common name of animal. Then mother and mechanic, these are the names of persons. Love, it's an abstract noun. It's a common name given to a feeling. And desk is the name of a thing. Proper nouns. A proper noun names a particular person, place, animal or thing. Proper nouns are always capitalized. Now look at the examples. Now the particular or specific name of this person is Miss Mary. See, we have written the word in capital letter. Then there is a city. Particular name of this city is New York. Now look at the next picture. It's a mountain. So the word mountain is a common noun and its particular name is Himalayas. So the word Himalayas is a proper noun. Let's see more examples of proper noun. Barack Obama, former president of US. India, it's a proper name given to a country. Orange Street, you can give a particular name or a specific name to any street. Pacific Ocean, the names of oceans are proper nouns. Hospital, that is community hospital, it is a proper noun. Karas Park, again is a proper noun. Now see, all these words starts with capital letter because these words are proper nouns. Let's know about abstract nouns and concrete nouns. An abstract noun is something you cannot touch, see, taste, smell or hear. For example, bravery. Can you touch bravery? But we can feel it. So, the word bravery, health, freedom. These kind of words are nouns and they are abstract nouns. Now come to concrete nouns. A concrete noun is something you can touch, see, taste, smell and hear. Now look at the examples. Waves. We can see waves, we can touch it. Hammer. Lobster. So such examples are the examples of concrete nouns. Next type of nouns are countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns can be counted. For example, an apple, a school. We can use article a or an with the nouns. Or you can count the things or persons or places or animals in number. For example, 1 picture, 2 pictures. Countable nouns can take singular or plural verbs. For example, there is a book on the table. So what is verb here? Is. So we always use is for a singular thing, like a book. Second example, those houses are very big, aren't they? So here in this example, are is used with houses. So the verb here is in the plural form. Let's now know about uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. For example, sugar, information, water, understanding, etc. We can count the glasses of water, but we cannot count water in numbers. Uncountable nouns always take singular verb. For example, there is some water in that picture. So what is the singular verb here? Is. So we have used is with uncountable noun water. Next is collective nouns. Collective nouns are names of a collection or a group of people, animal or things. For example, a class of students. So here the word class is a collective noun because it shows the number of students. Next is a flock of sheep. The word flock is used for the group of sheep. A bouquet of flowers. When you have many flowers tied together, that is called bouquet. Here the word bouquet is a collective noun. An army of soldiers. Here the word army is used for group of soldiers. A shoal of fish. A flight of birds. Here you can see a number of birds flying in the sky. A fleet of ships. As you can see, there are number of ships on the seaport. So the group of ships is called a fleet. Next is compound nouns. Compound words are two words joined together to make a new word. As you can see here, the first word is sun and another word is flower. So these two are different things. So when you join these two words together, you get a new word, that is sunflower. So such words are called compound nouns when you join two different words to make a new word. Let's see more examples. Rainbow, rainbow. Pine, apple, pineapple. Moonlight, moonlight. Keyhole, keyhole. Pancake, pancake. So here compound nouns are sunflower, rainbow, pineapple, moonlight, keyhole and pancake. That's everything for this lesson. I hope this video was useful for you to understand different types of nouns. Soon you will get separate videos for all these kinds of nouns to develop your vocabulary. Please keep checking back new stuff on this channel. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.